Yes, I want to kill you.
Ayaka, but you leave my house. Ayaka, you want to kill your own blood, your own child, your daughter, because of another woman? Eh? Is this the extent to push you hate her? Hey,
Mama,
Mama, it's better you let her to take her out anytime you want to go. If not, you will come back see her dead, or you see her in your pot of soup with her head on my plate.
Mama, why did Papa want to kill me?
Are you this wicked? Are you this wicked? Hi! Let her leave. No, I'm not her father. What am I now? Get ready. I'm away from getting a call here. You see, you, back at them. Back to them. Whatever. Wicked. Devil.
Don't come back here.
He's not even sorry for what he did. I'm going to kill you. So if I was not at home, this stupid boy will strangle this girl. I'll bring a second eyes for you. Look at this Guamaru.
Look at when a responsible man is coming home from work. He who operates the same time with armed robbers is also considered as an armed robber.
Are you talking to me? No. Are you referring to me?
Yeah. Oh. I did not call anybody's name. I was only referring to an irresponsible man. So if you feel you suit into the description, then cool. But Frederick, rest assured that any day the police come looking for you, I will single-handedly hand you over to them.
I know your plans. You want to kill me with your lover, so you will go and start enjoying my wealth. Yes, that's your plan.
Did you say what?
Yes.
Frederick, what do you think you are? No, every time you keep talking about riches, money, wealth, who do you think you are? Dangote or what? No, I'm asking you.
At least I am richer than all your family members. 1,000 of them, I'm richer than them. Oh. You want to wreck me? You want to bring me down? So you start enjoying my wealth with your lover? It will not happen. But let me tell you something. Before you do that, I am going to kill you first.
Huh? Frederick?
Before you do that, I will kill you.
You're
Yes, I'm fine, sir. So I'm so sorry I didn't call to tell you the situation of things at the site. No, everything is going on fine. No, sir. I have capable hands at the site. What? You're coming into the country? No, sir. This is not enough to bring you back all the way from America to this place. Sir, I am going to handle it. I promise you I won't disappoint you. Yes, sir.
Sister, I'm ready.
Where are you going?
Sister, see, I've thought about everything. There's no need for me to go back to the city while you stay alone in this village and suffer. I don't like the way things are. That's why just allow me, let me go to work with you. Let me assist you.
You can assist me, but you are going to have to stay home with Papa and be cooking and take care of him while me I will go outside and do the work.
No, sister, I want to go to the work.
I already have a boy that's helping me. You stay with Papa. Look, I'm watching over you.
Sister, now, I know you have a boy, but let me still go with you. See, I have cooked already. I've served the food. When we come back in the afternoon, I will check on Papa.
Okay. So that you can even see how the work is.
Let me help you.
My children, please, don't go out and take sand from the road, huh?
Papa, you are worrying yourself over nothing. But okay. We'll manage with the sand that we have. Don't worry. We'll manage.
Because I don't want to have problem with the town union. Huh?
Papa, you're not going to have any problem with a community or whatever. See, if we don't pack that sand, who will? Are we not from this community? If the king likes, let him come. Let me see if we won't have conscience.
Don't worry, eh? Should we carry you inside?
No, I'm taking breeze here.
Should I close it up?
Let's see.
Okay. Papa, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
Where this girl now?
Wait for me now, wait for me.
Say you feel this one. You see him? Nah. Just today, first day, you don't fall.
Happiness comes when you find peace in your mind.
What do you think?
Believe in what you're looking for. What can I get?
Hello, Mr. Godwin. That's all where? You were already in the country. But we spoke yesterday. Okay. Talk now, talk. I'm busy. It is not possible. What did I say?
It's not possible.
Good. Now that you know it's not possible, go and open the gate for me. Stupid. Foolish. Nonsense. Vagabond. Silly boy.
Mama, I'm going to the city. I have some supplies to make.
What supplies? Today. When did you start going to the city and when did you start supplying?
Mama, today.
To supply what?
Goods and services.
Goods and services. What do you have inside the bag?
Mama, it's my goods.
Where's Summa?
Summa is inside. She's sleeping.
Ah.
Go inside. You will see her. She's calling you. Go inside.
Summa, eh? Not supply what? Summa, eh? Summa. They don't come. Summa. Get on, Ayaka. 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 Eh? Ayaka. Come on.
Where are you off to now? I'm going to the market. I have goods to sell.
Is this your big bag?
Yes, so big goods.
So which goods are you going to sell?
You will not understand. Let me go to the market. I will see you. Mama. Ayaka. Mama, what? Bring down this bag. Mama, what is it? Bring down this bag. Mama, I have told you that what I have here is my goods.
Ayaka, what is in the bag now? Bring it down.
My goods, so.
Ayaka.
Which goods?
If you know you have goods, bring it down.
I want to see my goods.
Okay, Chiku. Tell your friends to bring back this because
Mama, you want to see my goods? You want to see my goods?
What is this? What is the meaning of this, Ayaka?
Mama, is it that I said this girl or I kill her? Or you take her away from my house? She's not my daughter. I will not accept her as my daughter.
What has this little girl done to you? Why do you want to kill her?
Ayaka,
Papa, I will not leave you. I will not leave you. If you lie, try to send me, I will not leave you. Mama, don't see you. Just because you left, Papa just tie my mouth, want to send me.
wait, see, let me tell you. Next time, you end up in Arusiogu. That's where you end up and be a sacrifice to the gods.
Ayaka, wait for me.
Nadia.
Hey.
Ayaka, you got food right yo. You got food right now. Okwa you na ba rimago. Jebe, never Antonia.
Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Happiness comes when you
What is going on? Kachi and
Ichi, if you are not blind, you will see what is going on here. That we are packing sand. That's what is going on here.
So it is true that you people have decided to disobey the king of this land by doing what the king and the cabinet forbids. Huh?
Look at your eyes, see tears. See your nose, see kata. Ordinary sand. Just one sand. Why is the sand here in the first place? If we do not use it, who will? What are we to benefit as indigenous of this community? You want to cry because we are packing sand? One cry now. Cry. Leave here before I get annoyed now.
Even you. So you have joined them to humiliate. I even heard my father asked you for money. You refused. Yet you have to want to buy our land with. Ichi, you're very wicked. Fear God. Fear God, Ichi.
So this is what you are saying. I will show the both of you that I'm a member of the cabinet. Stop what you are doing now. Stop it.
If you come close to this place, I will use this shovel to remove your head.
So, what about it? I heard this yesterday, I didn't believe. Now, I have seen it with my eyes.
Leave here.
You will hear from the king.
Yeah, do not go and tell the king. Go and tell the governor.
Why she do this thing? She look at me, she voice for me. You see, it is a secret.
Do you know what would have happened to you if you were caught by police with that girl in that bag?
I don't care. Anything that will happen, let it happen. As far as I'm concerned, is it that I said that girl, okay, she must leave my house. You know what is at stake here?
What is at stake? If Unkori refused to marry you because of this girl, then let her go. If you were caught with that girl in that bag, do you know what would have happened to you? You would have taken yourself to jail. And at the end of the day, that girl will marry another person. Eh? So who is the fool now?
I'm the fool. I'm ready to be a fool and I'm foolish. Yes, I'm a foolish lover. I will continue to be a fool until I please him, Connie. Yes. You see that girl? She must leave my house. Why did he bring that girl by now? That is my anger. Why did she bring that girl by now? She should have waited till I marry Colin, then the brother will settle me. Then she cannot bring the girl back.
Even if the brother settled you, you first still marry that in Colin. When did they talk? See, let me tell you something. If Colin love you, then she marry you and your daughter. When did they talk for you? If Nashina ain't born this begin before she meet you, I know say she will beg you and you for forgive her, still marry her. So why she not go do the same thing to you? See, use your head. That girl will help you tomorrow. You hear me? That girl will help you tomorrow.
See that girl? You see that little parrot? She cannot help me. That girl will expose me. She will expose my life. With her mouth running, one day she will climb on top of a pole or on top of tree and announce to the whole village that I'm smoking the boy at home. Or attract police to my house. You see that girl? She cannot help me in life. That girl cannot help me. Her mouth runs too much. I'm selling her. If you want to buy, tell me.
You have to manage her.
I will not.
She's your daughter.
Are you buying?
Not.
Okay.
Please, I am no longer happy with this whole thing. What is it? What can I do? Tell me, if this innocent girl had died inside that bag, what would I have told the world? Can you find my car? All because your daughter wants to marry my son. What can I do? Let me tell you, I am begging you in the name of God. If you want me to nail, I'll nail for you. If you got this marriage, I don't want it again. I don't want you to marry my son again. I don't want you close to him or even close to anything that relates to my son. Stay away. If marrying him means the death of this innocent girl, I trust you. You know what? Thank you.
Why you calm down? Calm down. It has not gotten to that.
I have been the one begging you people since. No, not all roads were.
But this is outrageous. Why would Ayaka do a thing like that?
It was your daughter that told Ayaka that he has to kill this girl for her to marry him.
Hey!
Yes!
Mama!
Mama! You told Ayaka that name Ayaka thank man.
Hey!
Hey,
Mama, I did not tell Ayaka to kill anybody. Is Ayaka a fool that he will kill another human? Will you shut up now? Are you not the one pushing him? Hey! What did I tell you before? I told you to let this pass. But you wouldn't listen.
I'm an if there's some working on one, a mamma fool or not bro fool. I'm an age if I get la quanya, a mamma fool or not bro fool. And I will go away.
Nobody should blame you. Nobody should blame me.
Okay.
Auntie, this is not good though. It's not good. Why will you tell my father to kill me so that you happily marry him? Don't you want to have your own child? You don't want to have your own child. The mother that gave birth to me, she have married another person. Don't you understand it?
Sorry, we will settle it. We will settle it.
I just want you to see a little of what I am saying. Every day I pass through this. It's either I wants to strangle her, or not if I chionu or go to fue. And I said I am tired.
Nobody should call my name. Nobody should blame me in this at all. Shut up your mouth.
Someone, let's go. But madam, for the last time, we're going. But if anything should happen to this innocent girl, I will tell the whole world and the police that you are involved.
Nobody should call my name. Nobody should call my name. Nobody should call my name. I did not send yourself to kill anybody. Will you shut up your mouth? Hey, in fact, shut up. Come, let's go. Mama, we need to talk. Mama, I didn't tell you to kill her now.
Oh, sir, you're here. You didn't even tell me you're coming.
Why is the house not ready yet?
Sir, I can explain.
There's nothing case. I've cancelled this contract. I'm here for my lawyer tomorrow.
It has not gotten to that. Okay? we can sort things out. I mean, it's not late yet. You have not even been to the site.
Mr. Fred, there's nothing to say. This contract is terminated. We have from my lawyer tomorrow to make it official. It's cancelled. I'm done with it. You are going to see this myself. That's how you do it. You are trying to be Mr. Fred.
Anywhere, be sitting wani. I wear on yem yakora, Obia me mungama.
I will not be in this house, and your father will kill you. Mama,
I'll follow you everywhere. Come and kill me.
Don't worry, he will not try that nonsense. If he tries that nonsense, the government will arrest him and jail him for life.
Okay, Mama.
Mama, you see.
Stop looking at me now.
Don't mind him. You have no shame, Ayaka. Look at what you are doing to your daughter because of one small girl that's parading you everywhere in the village. Yeah? You want to kill your daughter because of that girl? It's wicked. You are shameless.
Mama, I will not say Pim. Pim and Kitty, I will not say until I propose to Nkoli. Say Nkoli marry me. Nkoli will say no. That she will not marry me because of this girl. Then that time, you see this parrot, I'll kill her. Remember where? This her head, I will cut it off and give to Oracle.
The government will arrest you and put you in jail for life.
Papa, you wrong.
Let hunger kill you there. Let hunger kill you there. Look at you. See, let me tell you, that food will choke you. And that will be the last food you eat in this house before you die.
I'm sure you want to eat it.
That will be your last food in this house.
Yeah. Enough of that nonsense. You don't know that this girl is this girl that will take care of you.
Mama, like this.
Go to
you. I will kill you.
You will kill yourself. And not my daughter. What
Mama,
is
you
it?
see this girl, I will kill this girl.
What if you get me? Eat your food. Nonsense. Come on, get I come. No long way you. Be careful. Oh, because I get me that slippers. Bring that slippers also allow that.
Bring that slippers.
I will get your slippers.
Get it.
Keep it here. Mama. Keep it here. You frog called the shameless man. How can I be also?
Papa, Mama.
I guess. Super.
Try it. Papa, you know what? Sister is wonderful. Really wonderful. Papa, if you see the way sister was just driving down love, driving it like this, hey! It made me so happy. Sister has learned how to drive that thing very well.
She has really learned to drive well.
She has.
My prayer is that one day to go to become the richest contractors in Nigeria.
Amen. Amen.
Kashi.
Okay, what is it? Okay.
You have to come with me now.
Why?
It's about your sister Martina.
What would you
do? You have to come with me.
Accident, Papa.
Come.
Martina.
What is happening, Mom?
Nothing.
Come go inside.
Hey, brother. Hey, you're welcome, eh? Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome.
I need to gather as much as I can. The worst part is that I can't account for the money. I intend to get some materials on credit, then pay back later gradually.
What of that man? Has he paid?
Not yet. He has not paid back the money. I think I need to arrest that man. Maybe he will be forced to pay back that money.
Okay. But baby, whatever you do, you have to be fast about it. You don't have time on your side anymore.
If only I knew.
Baby, please. Stop. Okay? I promise you, everything will be fine. Okay? You need to calm down. With the way you're going about this thing, you will hurt yourself. On a lighter note, baby, you will have to give me some money. I need to go to the hospital. If what I'm thinking is true, I think I'm pregnant.
Hey, Ayaka, my friend. Ayaka, your container has arrived.
My container?
I'm telling you.
Which of my containers?
Your in-law to be is back.
My in-law to be?
Godwin is back with a very big car.
Huh?
I'm telling you now.
Don't say it again. Godwin is back.
In fact, the guy is on money now.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
What is what? See, let me tell you. My in-law to be is back. Godwin. So what I'm telling you now is, this is the time for me to decide whether you'll be alive or you'll be dead. Do you understand? I'm going there now. The judgment you will give there will determine whether you'll be alive or you'll be dead. So when I go out and come back, go in there now, pack your things and keep it by the side. So that once I come, if I enter that gate now, I will call you. Some man drop dead, you will die. Or some man be alive, you will be alive. You start smiling. As for now, you don't need to smile. Go ahead and pack your things and keep it by the side, because I'm going to bury you.
Ayaka, let's go.
Let's go there.
Let's go.
Who is Mama? Go and pack your things.
Ayaka, let's go.
Look at this girl. Let me go and see my in-law.
Mama, that is it. I've cancelled the contract I have with you.
Very good. Good, because I don't know what that man is doing. You know, I told you then, let us get some people from this village to work for you. And you said no and call them local contractors. Now you have seen what they've done.
Brother, that man should pay you back all your money. What is this now?
If you didn't give me all the money I've been sending to him by tomorrow, I'll arrest you. Nobody try Yancy's my calapity and everything. Meanwhile, I'll be going to the site to see things myself.
Hey! Get it down, man. My in-law! Hey!
Ayaka Nibo.
Ayaka Nibo. No, you are Ezeku.
Yes,
I heard it as say let me fly and come.
I'm back for good.
American man.
As As you can see.
This is it. This is it. Oh, yeah, good Karen.
I'm back, man.
Hey!
How's everything?
You can see us. You have seen me. I heard it. I said, let me fly. I come. Now I have come. Hey!
Just seeing it.
Look at you. Mama, you people are enjoying. I can see.
You came back with the biscuit.
Let me join you people. Let me take two. I'm going to run them now. You're welcome. Is this your car?
This is one of my cars.
One of your cars?
Yes.
Hey! This is every people. American white cow. Huh? Sit down, sit down. See, I heard it. I said, this is one of your cars.
Yes.
Hey, I cannot say, let you give me this one. I don't know how it will sound.
Your own is on the way.
My own is on the way.
Yes.
I can't wait to go and meet my own.
Trust me, your own is on the way coming.
Hey! I can't wait to go and meet my own on the road. Eh? Mama? Then my baby. Hey! Last Christmas I said, you know what?
My in-law. Ayaka Nibu.
Biscuit.
My great in-law.
I can't wait. Mama, you people should go inside. Eh? Back it in the back.
This one, I gave
American biscuit.
Eh?
All these things you see American people eating. Chom. It doesn't enter anywhere. You know me.
But keep it.
I like fufu. Eh? No. Look at all this thing drink. Hey! My baby, open this one. Open it. Let me tell you people, I'm drinking.
So you make this one?
Yes, his friend came and told him. Yeah. Mama, I'm afraid though.
Don't have to be afraid. Because I am here. You will go and you will also come back and meet me. You know, go?
I don't know why they hate me in my mother's village. And now I'm here, they hate me in my father's place. Mama, did I do any bad thing to come into this world?
You did not do anything wrong. And I did not hate you. I will never hate you. Don't mind your father. He is just being stupid. And don't be afraid because he will not do anything to you. Instead, both of us will die in this house. What rubbish? Eh? What has this innocent, beautiful girl done to him? Maja, come here. I am happy with you. I will never hate you. What? I love you as your grandmother. I'm going to marry a pickle. Eh? What did you wear up while?
My man Ayaka. You don't have to worry yourself. I will settle both.
Oh.
But the question is, why would Nkoli want you to kill your own child? A child God gave to you. Why?
I wonder. Eh?
I've tried to talk to her, but she wouldn't listen. Please, now that you are around, I want you to talk to her yourself.
Mama.
Ayaka here has been so good to us, of which you know. Huh?
Mama, don't worry yourself. Ayaka, Nkoli is your wife. Money talks.
Hey! Bullshit works.
Yes. As far as I'm concerned, I'm the head and the tail of this family.
American talk.
What I say stands. Yes. Ayaka, you have sacrificed so much for this family, for me to allow you to go like that.
Oh.
Even if you have 10 kids, Nkoli must marry you. Don't kill your daughter. She's your blood. She's a gift from God. Are you getting me? Not for anybody. The most important thing is that I'm back and back for good. I came loaded.
Sorry.
Yes. The only issue I'm having now is the contractor I gave money to build my house. Yes. I will deal with him ruthlessly. Because nobody triances my capability and remain the same.
Hey.
Happy I'm in South Africa. Nagini Konakre Nasango. But as the obviously a common contractor can mind. How? It's not done. No, nobody triances my capability. Not in this village, I remain the same. Yes, I'm still that God win and God wins. Yes.
You see, you know, that contractor, Amaral. The other day I went there, I saw what he was doing there. You know, I used to be a contractor.
Ayaka, you contractor? When?
You see, I went to that house, I saw what that man was doing there. I said, hey, this contractor doesn't have sense. If it was me, come and see Castor. Under 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, your house will be ready. Mama, don't do much. I'm okay. You see all those people that used to, all their fish pond, I used to do poultry for them. They give me contract of poultry.
and other fish farming. Yes, that's people will be begging me. I can come and take contract. I refuse.
I intend opening a poultry farm in this village. I'll give you the contract.
Me? Poultry contract?
You start from there.
Hi, your in-law.
You will start from there. Now
someone has ways.
Now small monkey they turn to chimpanzee.
Someone has ways.
Start from somewhere. Ayaka my in-law. Ayaka my in-law. You are not saying anything.
So you give me a husband, animal husband. Okay.
You have to start from there.
Mama, no problem. Mama, no problem. Fish pond is.
I don't want you to build a house that will collapse.
It's a lucrative business, so.
Yes, sir.
Animal husband. No more Nkole husband. I'll be animal husband. It's alright. Let's drink. Can't you say this as your in-law?
Papa, how did he go? How's your sister?
Papa, don't worry. The accident was not so bad. Just that sister has an injury on her hand and her leg. And the doctor said she has to use crutches for some time before the wound will heal.
Oh, Jim. I am finished. The only person that is helping me out of my problem.
It's okay, Papa. It's okay. I want sister out. I want her, Papa. But she did not listen to me. She was just driving roughly on the road on a high speed. My only worry now is that the lorry is damaged.
I am not bothered about the lorry. Let it damage. What is bothering me now is my daughter. My daughter's life. I don't want her to die.
God forbid, Papa. Papa, don't talk like this now. Sister will not die. She will not die. But Papa, why are we going through all these things? Why are we going through all these things now?
Kachi?
Yes, Papa.
What do we do?
Papa, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. And the little money we had at hand that we were supposed to use to supply the sand, I've used it to pay for sister's hospital bill. And there's no money again. There's no money again. I only came back to get sister food and change my clothes. Papa, if that man comes to arrest us or the contractor, I'll just follow him to the station.
Mba. Tomorrow morning, go to Namandi. Tell him to come. Let him give me that money. Let him take that land. I want to sell it off to him.
Okay, Papa.
So what do you intend to do now? Are you just going to sit here and allow those stupid people destroy you?
Okay, please allow me. Just let me, okay? I have enough problems already, and I need to think. Just allow me to think, okay?
Fred, this is a problem with you. Your problem is staring at you right in the face, and what you should be thinking of is solution, and not sit here thinking all day. Look, you better get up and do something fast before it's too late.
What do you want me to do? The old man is sick.
Then get the police involved. I'm sure he has relatives. Or did he fall from the sky?
think you're right. That is what I'm going to do. Because if I get him arrested, then his family members will surface and they will be forced to pay. I think that's what I'll do. That is what I'll do. Mama, you don't have to preach to her. Yes, she has no option to choose from. Ayaka has sacrificed so much for this family.
Yes.
For her to leave him now, Mama, it's not possible. Yes, just because he has a child. I wonder how women reason. Supposing you are the one that have a child now, you want him to marry you with the child.
Brother, this is different though. It's very different.
How is it different? Tell me, how is it different? Men marry ladies with child. Ladies marry men with child. So tell me, how is it different? How?
I wonder. After all, the child we are talking about here is a baby girl.
Mama, I know. But what if the mother of the child wants Ayaka to marry her?
Sit down. I said shut up. Didn't you hear what he said yesterday?
Amazing.
Didn't you hear? Mom, enough of this conversation. I want to go and deal with my contractor. Nkoli's matter is nothing. Yes.
It's okay, my son. Go well, Make sure he pay you your money. Else, arrest him. That man has done enough damages to us.
Mama, nobody try and assist my capability. I remain the same.
It's okay.
Don't worry yourself.
I trust you.
Mama, as for Nkoli and Ayaka's matter, it's sealed and settled.
One.
Nkoli, Ayaka's wife.
I'm not marrying him. I will not marry him. Sure, no. All I know is that Ayaka has been so good to us. You got no queer. Oh.
Do this one. Get away from my book. Leave here.
Papa is inside. Sister, let me rush and see Ichi and Namani. Papa said I should see him.
How are we going to do this thing now?
What are we going to do? I don't know. But once he buys the land, we'll buy another lorry. We cannot kill ourselves now.
Let me go and see Papa.
Go help her, father. Please take it easy. Take it easy. Sister, I'm coming.
Give me the clutches. Chere, put. So that is it. Thank your God that everything went well. If not, by now, you go far. By now you'll be far away, heaven or hellfire. Yes, so.
Ayaka, money will reach you. You don't have sense. Anyway, it is for your own good. All I know is you wouldn't have killed my daughter, and we are not going to kill my daughter.
Mama, you don't know what I was. You don't know what I will enjoy. You don't know why I was fighting all this fight. Because I know what I'm going to enjoy. What I'm going to get in this marriage. Godwin has promised to settle me. To give me big money. Buy me a car and other things. He promised to sponsor our marriage. Do you understand that? Now, he said that when he is done with the contractor that is messing up, he will hand me over the building for me to build. Can't you see?
So you genuinely now breach your love, no your contract.
I'm so happy for you.
You're happy for yourself too. Because if not, by now, I would have been while ago. But this,
let all of us just rejoice that everything ended in praise.
Yes.
That's the only thing that's supposed to happen.
Someone special, because by now.
And what do you care me? And what do you care about my beautiful granddaughter, Chukwunyelo?
I'm on my way to your father's house to receive her. How is it?
Uncle, it's still the same. Oh. We have tried vertically everything in this life, but nothing seems to be working. But my sister and I have decided to take him to Mama Elo's Nam's place to see if she can help us. As if that is not enough, Uncle. My sister had an accident.
What? Another problem?
Yes, Uncle. But that is not even the problem right now. The problem is that we need a lot of money. We need money to solve our problem. My sister is back from the hospital. But my father sent me to come and meet you concerning what both of you talked about the other day. About the land you said you would like to buy.
The land?
Yes, Uncle.
What happened to it?
Uncle, we are ready to sell the land now. Our debtors are on our neck.
You see, the problem with you children of nowadays is that you think that you know it all, or it is by grand. What we, the elders, see, sitting down, even when you climb the highest mountain, you can never see it. Now you have realized, your senses are now back. This is what I've been trying to prevent when I offer to buy that land from you. Huh? Now you are come now. Now you are not back to your senses.
Uncle, are you interested in buying the land from us? Yes or no?
I'm interested. How much are you selling it?
How much can you offer? How much do you want to buy the land?
Everyone in this village knows the price of land in this village. So we don't need to begin to argue like we are buying crayfish. A piece of land in this village costs 300,000 naira. But because the land is in a good site and because of your father's present predicament, I'll add 50,000 naira to it to make it 350,000 naira.
Uncle, you cannot do this to us. You cannot do this to my family. Uncle, I thought you said my father is your friend. How can you even think of buying that land, that piece of land for 350,000 naira? Uncle, how can you be this wicked and heartless? Don't you have a heart? Don't you?
Huh? Oh, the other day your sister insulted me when I came to offer to buy the land from you people. Today it's your turn to insult me. Okay, if you're not ready to sell it for 350,000 naira, forget it.
Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow.
You cannot
Opportunity come but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Makechi Dime. Remember tomorrow.
there is nothing to discuss. I'm no longer interested in your work. All I want you to do is to attend my 13 million. I wonder how you people think. I'll big money in the street in Europe. You don't know how much I suffered to make that money. Please, attend my money, listen.
So, please, I know you're very upset. Okay, but give me a little time. See, what will commence the site very soon.
There is no need for that. I have negotiated with another contract. All I want from you now is my money. Yes, failing to do so is leaving to yourself. You don't know how much I thought to make that kind of money. I sent you money, you are here squandering my money. Telling me all sorts of bullshit. Now I'm here, I'm seeing nothing. After I'm going to South Africa, while talking to Brazil, Batasia, or one fair, are you okay? You know how much I suffer? Do you know what I did to make that money? Don't try me. Nobody tries my capability and remain the same. If you try me, the cost we apply is great and brass. And you have to not do so much better for Babaka, they can attack resist someone. I want you.
Ibeto, you and your daughter will be part of this thing. Ibeto, if once my credibility goes down, your own credibility and your daughter will go down. Once I enter the cell, in fact, you first before me. Ibeto, you and your daughter.
This matter is really serious. What are we going to do? I'm confused. I don't know what we're going to do.
I don't know. I don't have any solution. So if you have any solution, tell me. Do you have any solutions?
I don't have any solution. I don't have.
Yes, we have to keep calm. The man cannot kill us. He will only arrest us with police to take us to court. We're not saying we don't have the money. Oh, it is not there now. I cannot come and die. But it was Papa he did your business with. Papa is sick. Case closed.
Sister, that man may have connection with you. I am scared.
Go ahead, be scared. No, I am not. I am just tired.
I hope we find a solution soon.
I just have to sell that land like that. Let's discuss it.
Is that you? Yes. The second daughter came to me begging me that they are now ready to sell that land.
Hey, you're serious?
And I told them how much I'm ready to pay for the land. I told them 300,000 naira or else we should forget about it.
Hey, 300,000. That is too poor. That's too poor. See, that land is so big and it's well situated. Very beautiful site. See, that land is worth more than 2 million naira. Hey, I thought Ibet is your friend.
He is my friend, and so you want me to give them all my money? Eh? His daughter Martina thinks she's very stubborn and mean. I will see how to get out of this one.
Okay. Sounds them right. But that land is big, very big. You make so much money out of it. Hey!
You know the plan I have. I want to buy that land for 300,000 and resell it to Anyanwu, the land buyer, so that I can make more money for myself.
Hey! Oh, that's good. It's okay. You're a very wise man. It's okay. Well done, eh?
I see.
You make so much money. It's okay. Alright, my dear. Take care. Okay. See you at the...
That's the house. Okay, she's here.
Please go ahead and do your work.
Madam,
arrest her. Let's leave.
Madam, you and your father are under arrest. Officer, bring her.
No, I did not do anything. It's my father that he has business with. My father is not feeling fine, officer. My father is not feeling fine.
Madam, move. Madam, let's go. Move.
Come on, do your work. Let's leave here, please.
No. Mr. Fred, my father is sick.
If you arrest her, her father will come.
Move. Your father will complain.
Sister, who are these people? No. My father is not hiding. He's not feeling. Mr. Fred, Mr. Fred now.
Fred? What are you doing in my father's compound?
You know him?
Wait. Did you say your father's compound?
Yes, this is my elder sister. Oh. So it's been you, Fred. You've been the one tormenting my family.
He's the one who told you I've been insulting Papa.
Officer, come on, let's go.
So come on, let them go. Where are you going? I thought you went to arrest us. How do you know him? How do you know that? How do you know the man that has been insulting Papa?
Sister, let's go inside.
Who is here? My in-laws. Come, I'm here. Hey. Also. My baby. My baby, listen, my baby. How are you?
Ayaka,
Eh?
what are you doing here?
I came to see you. I thought we have settled this thing. Why are you still hanging your face like an old cloth?
You and who? Settle what?
See, I've begged you. Let's forget this thing. My daughter, Soma, is not. She has no business in our marriage. Let's forget her and face our marriage.
Okay, but you have to promise me that our mother will not come one day and want you to marry her.
Which mother? Mother Gabriel. Yeah. As we are talking now, her mother is in her husband's house. She's getting married. I'm telling you. Which mother? See, you don't have to worry about. If you want now, I can take you to their traditional marriage. We'll go there and you see. You see things yourself. You will be eat rice there.
Ayaka, you know you lie a lot. I just hope this is...
I am not lying. This is one is not lying. You want to eat rice? Let's go to their traditional marriage.
Okay.
Now you have come. See, let me tell you. So if some my daughter, if she mess up in our marriage, I will kick her.
Don't worry, don't kick her back.
Kick her.
Don't touch her.
Under bracket of the money.
Don't touch her.
Now you are smiling like a chanja cloth. Now you are.
What a small world. So you know this man that has been disturbing us?
Sister, I know him very well. I know him. I didn't even know that he has been the one tormenting us.
He's the one, no?
Sister, I know what to do. I will go to the city.
Kachi, Papa, don't go to the city to fight him, huh?
No, Papa. I am not going to the city to fight him. I am only going to make him and his girlfriends pay for what they've done to us. And if he refuses to comply to what I want him to do, I will expose him to his wife.
I support you, because he has given us too much rubbish. You have to show him. You have to show him.
Let me go inside and prepare.
Why not let him be?
But let him be how? You have come. Has he let us be? She has to go and shake him in it so that he will let us be and give us time to finish his work. Cannot let him be if he will not let us be.
Officers, please, you people should not be angry. I didn't know that was my wife's friend family. Okay? Please.
So, you guys can go.
It's not for our business. You need to settle so that I can go back to the station.
How am I going to settle you when you did not do the arrest again? How?
Boss, don't get us angry. Settle us so I can go back to the station.
It's okay, we're not fighting, eh? It's okay. Okay, that's your money.
Officer.
Lucy, oh, Lucy, 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 oh, Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's haunted by I think we're very risky. Very risky. She's a drug addict. Blind love.
Who am I seeing?
Oh my goodness, Godwin!
Who am I seeing?
Oh my goodness!
Who am I seeing?
Godwin! Oh! Godwin, is this you?
Yes, it's me. You have grown so big. What are you eating?
I'm eating food, of course.
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm seeing you after a long time.
Yes, it's been a long time. When did you come back?
I came back yesterday. How is everybody? Your mother, your father, your sister, Martina, everybody. How is everybody?
Godwin, a lot has happened to us recently. But didn't your mother tell you that my mother died 2 months ago? As I speak to you now, she's in the wheelchair.
You know I came in yesterday. I've not really talked to my mother. What is happening?
Godwin, I don't know. My family has been going through a lot. Okay, as we're talking now, my dad is critically ill.
What?
My sister had an accident yesterday. She broke her leg and her hand. Now she's using crutches.
Wait. This is too much. Since where is she?
She's at home.
I'm going to see them right away. Okay? No, this is too much.
I'm on my way to the city. I want to see one or two persons.
Alright, let me know when you're back, okay? Be a good girl. Take care of yourself. You're not looking bad.
Thank you.
You have grown so big. I must confess that. Kachi. Small girl of yesterday. Look at how big you're looking.
Which of my friend are you talking about?
Kachi. You know what I'm talking about? Things are beginning to get ugly.
Leave Kachi. I will sort it out. I know what you're afraid of, and I am also uncomfortable with it. Let me call her.
I am very sorry for your loss. I pray God give your family the heart to bear this huge loss. And as for your father, I will find a way to help him.
Amen. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Fred is a very wicked man. Do you know he cannot account for all the money I've been sending to him to complete my house? But my lawyer will deal with him. Yes, you will pay to the last dime.
I'm just very happy. I don't have to say thank you. I'm very happy. Hi. Thank you very much. I'm very, very happy.
Your family is my family. Your mother was so nice to me. She took care of me, fed me, clothed me, even sent me to school. Just that I don't have head for education.
Hi. You're very dull. You're very dull.
But I'm still better than you. Yes.
How? How?
100% better than you.
Hey, don't say that, please. Don't say it again.
All right,
thank you so much. Thank you. I still cannot believe that I do love the house.
It's my house. I'll find a way to help your family, especially your father. I wonder why my mother did not tell me all these things.
Maybe she forgot. She was tell you. I'm sure she forgot. Okay. She was tell you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I bet you have to let it go. She's on her way here. But you have to let the money go.
Excuse me. I have to let what go? Do you know what you're talking about? I have to let my money go just like that? Babe, we are talking about 700,000 naira here. I should let it go just like that. Huh?
Would you rather risk Ogechi, your wife, knowing about us? It's just money, 700,000 naira. You will get it back.
I still not trust that girl. Who would ever believe that she has a connection with that family? Who would believe that?
Fred, it's a small world, okay? Just calm down. Miss Kachi, I will handle her. I will speak to her. By the way,
we are talking about 700,000 naira here.
You will get it back. You will make more money. Don't worry, I'll pray for you. By the way, I need some money.
Sorry, my dear. I didn't remember to tell you.
Chai, Mama. I feel so sorry for them. She told me that that useless contractor gave the father the sand contract for my site.
I don't know. But I told you that man is not fit for the work. Now, what are you going to do?
Mama, I'm going to arrest the man. No matter the business he has with Martina's father.
Brother, if you arrest him for the money, he will also arrest Martina's father.
I don't think so. Then I will ask them to deduct the money Martina's father is owing them and give me my balance. Don't worry. You'll hear from me tomorrow.
Hey. I will go and see them later. Honestly, I didn't hear about Ibeto's sickness or even Martina's accident.
Mama, Ibeto is very down. I don't know what is happening to that family.
This is so bad.
I don't know.
So
what is
bad.
happening to that family, Mama. Ibeto is down.
Just tell your sugar boy to forget about the money my family owe. It's simple. And I have spoken to him. But the truth is, it is wrong. You better find a way to sort this business out. It's not my business. I do. See, you have just said you're right, and I
you know why I'm saying this? Because I don't want to have issues with OBIO.
Really? Do I look like I care? I do not care if you have issues with OBIO or not. All I am saying is just tell your your sugar daddy to forget about the money below. Else, I will open my mouth and speak it. And you know what I mean?
I beg, I should calm down. Sorry. I told you I will fix it. I will sort it out. We'll figure out a way to let go of the money.
Better, let him fix it, or you better fix it.
And what's that supposed to mean? What is that supposed to mean? Do you expect me to pay you money to shut your mouth up? It's okay, I understand, okay? Relax. Wait till I'm... Besides, how is your father and sister?
They're just there, suffering. Do you know what my father and sister had to go through because of your friend? See, Benita, just tell him to kindly let go of that. Else, I will open up my mouth. Or better still, why not bail him out since it's your sugar?
Hey! What's that supposed to mean? What's that? What's that supposed to mean? You expect me to pay you money to shut your mouth up?
Benita, I just told you what my best. Okay? So it is now left for us to listen to us. It is left for you. Yes.
Hello, Mike. Mike, please. I need your help now. Mike, please, I need some money. I have some serious issues now to sort out, please. Eh? Mike? Hello? I can't just cut his phone, please. What am I going to do?
Fred, what is it again?
What kind of question is that? Huh? Can't you see what I'm passing through? Can't you see? Mr. Godwin needs his money back. He has cancelled the business I have with him. He needs his money back.
So, have you collected the money you gave to the Sandman?
I couldn't. That man is dying. And the daughter is sick too. I couldn't. I am not that wicked.
Oh. You're not that wicked. I see. So, what will happen if in return the man gets you arrested? Will you see him as a wicked man?
My dear, I am trying to sort some money out to see how I'm going to settle this thing, but nothing is working out.
You should work, and you better try. Try! Because 13 million naira is not a small money. And you know I don't have a dime to give to you. Fred, tick says the clock, tick tick. What you have to do, too quick. Do it quick, oh! As you can see, I am pregnant. And the last thing I need is stress. Since you're not a wicked man, whatever you're doing, do it quick. Yeah, I don't want stress in my life. Do it fast. Ha! Oh.
So, you are gaining weight, oh? Eh? Since you came to my house, you have been gaining weight. Look at it. I'm thinking that I'm carrying 1 bag of cement on my back. Hey! Hey, Zoma, you see, it's good that God will make money. I came back. Hey, money is good. Why are you doing? Are you not talking again?
I'm talking, Papa.
You are talking, Papa? Eh? Some, I can smell meat.
No.
Are you eating meat there?
No, I'm not smelling it.
Can't you smell meat?
Maybe it's this
Bush that's smelling meat. How can the bush be smelling meat? Somewhere. Are you sure you're not eating meat?
My guy.
Okay, my guy.
How far now?
I do.
I can see you are happy with your parrot.
Why can't I be happy with my parrot? I'm happy with my parrot.
Is it what I told you? Now you are happy.
I am happy. Since Nkoli has forgiven me, I have to forgive my daughter and accept her. I have no choice.
I thank God for you.
Yes, sir.
No, you are welcome.
Summer. Don't.
But no looking for her to love.
Nothing. Okay. Calm down. Summer. You are my back eating meat. So you tell me that it's bush that is smelling meat. Eh? So why did the bush start smelling meat? Summer.
That my food, I'm not eating that kind.
Tell your mouth to do not down. Look at your mouth. And you're eating meat on my back. Now tell me no assume. Can you imagine this girl? So you have seen the trailer. You now the aboki. You're on top of the trailer doing suya. Oh yeah, move. You now move with your leg. Move it. I said, madam, move it.
My God.
I said, move it. You are doing suya. Move it. Okay? See you later. Move this way. Come and eat that meat and move this way. Can you imagine? You're eating meat on my back. Did I eat meat on my mother's back?
So this is how you are. I thought we were friends.
So, let me ask you. Please don't take this serious.
I don't understand. What are you explaining and what am I not taking serious? So, wait. If I did not come here today, you won't even bother to check on me. Know what you are going through at the moment. Is it fair?
Oh, that. Sorry. But you know I normally come from the city. Just this way.
Look away from me, come through.
Who is at home? Ibeto. Gaji, how are you? And how is your father? Where is he?
He's inside.
I've come to see him over the land he planned to sell to Namani.
What the hell?
That is of him. Hey, Martina, what happened to you?
As if he cares. What did I hear you say?
Eh?
Do not worry. God is watching. Very soon, vengeance will visit all of you and shame will be over.
Hey, but what did I do? I only came to see your father over the land he planned to sell to Namani. See, I met Namani and he told me the amount he planned to buy the land. I told him, no, it's too small. So I'm here to add money to the price he wants to buy it.
We are no longer interested in selling the land. Uncle, please leave my family alone. Leave us alone. All of you turned your back because of my father's predicament. Leave us alone.
No, Kachi, don't say that. Don't go that way. Eh? See, I'm ready to pay 500,000 on that land. 500,000. Wait, where should go? You need that money. Now that you are having one problem after another, eh? Consider it, you need the money. Live here. You need that money. I said you need the money. Live here. You need that. You need the money. I said you need that money.
very, very bad for him. Very bad. So what is he planning to do now?
I don't know. He's been making some calls, but nothing is coming forth.
This is bad. This is bad for him.
What he did with 13 million naira, I do not know. I am suspecting my husband is having a serious relationship with someone in this town. If I catch that woman, Benita, if I see that woman, I will kill her. Shebi, now that he's going through this, she's nowhere to be found. I am sure she's somewhere enjoying with one man. I am the one suffering it. No, Ogechi is the one suffering it.
I can imagine. You know, I understand.
I can't.
Hello? I am busy. Roofing. Okay, thanks. Yes, please. Yes, send it to my phone. Okay. Bye.
What was that?
Undubisi. He just informed me that they're about to start painting my house in the village.
Bill. You're building and you didn't let me know.
My love, I'm sorry. But the truth is, I wanted to shock my friends. But now you know.
It's fine. I mean, it's a good thing. But you should have given the contract to my husband.
Yes, your husband. I gave it to one man in the village. You know, it will be easier for him. And besides, we all know your husband is a big contractor. I don't get money to pay now.
Good job. What are friends for? You know I would have played everything. But it's fine. Congratulations.
Thank you.
My husband.
Oh, okay.
What? Hey! Penny, what is going on? What do I do now?
Has it gotten to this extent? Why will this man do this to him?
Frederick is just too stubborn. I advised him to get the man he gave the sand contracts to arrested so he can recover his money. He said no. Now the man is who has arrested him. What do we do? Where do I get 13 million naira from? Where do I get it from?
I'm calm. Okay, we have to take it easy. See, I promise you, they will sort it out. Everything will be fine. Okay, calm down.
I'm calm. Hey. Now, where is the so-called mistress? No, where is she? She's nowhere to be found. When things like this happen, the wives will be the ones to suffer. She's nowhere to be found. I'm not the one suffering it. Babe, I have to go now. Please, let me use your phone and call so I can know the police station he was taken to. I don't have my time, please. Your phone.
I don't have credit.
You just loaded. You've forgotten. Please give me.
Oh, I just loaded.
Please, now. Thank you.
Benita, I dialed my husband's number on your phone and it is being saved as my love. Benita, my husband's number is being saved as my love on your phone. Can you start talking?
Oh, yeah.
Jesus. My love, my husband's number, my love. Explain. Jesus.
Okay, it's not what you think.
Wait. The sugar daddy, the gift, everything, the one that gave you money to build the house, the one that rented this apartment for you, everything you've been talking about. My husband, Frederick, my husband.
I'm sorry. I can explain everything. I can explain. Okay, just calm down. Sit down and let's talk about it. Hey! Okay. I'm sorry. Let me explain.
Okay.
Please let me.
You even touch me. So it's been you.
Let me explain.
Don't talk to me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't.
Please let me help you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Let me explain to you. Calm down and let me explain to you. It's not what you think. It's not.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Benita, you are evil. You are wicked. Benita, you are heartless.
What is going on here? Why are you shouting?
After everything I have done for you, you chose to pay me this way. Benita, you chose to pay me this way.
What's going on here? Why are you shouting?
Let's take her to the hospital. We're having complications. She even fainted inside my house.
Jesus. Julie. Julie.
Calm down.
Julie. Ask your neighbor. Of all the men in this world, Benita chose my husband.
What? What did I just hear her say?
What is what? Help me, let's take her to the hospital. She's been having...
Thank you very much. My Godwin, thank you. Huh?
You're welcome. It's okay. Anyone else would have done so. Your family was so nice to me in the past. So this is the little way to show appreciation.
It means you are a good man. Because some people will have forgotten. Some people do not know how to pay for a good deed. Huh?
Alright.
My son.
Papa.
God will bless you. Huh?
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah, where's Kachi?
Sister, I'm here. I'm here.
No.
Kachi.
I'm waiting for you.
Let's go to hospital.
Hey, this is serious. Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
You see what I said? Godwin is a nice man, and God will bless him. Eh? Thank you for loving me. Eh?
You don't have to thank me.
Papa, Mama is calling me.
Mama is calling me.
So, ma, you didn't see me happy. You can't greet me.
Mama is calling you. Is she not the one that said you should kill me?
Is that why you will not greet her? Eh?
Suma, nobody's going to kill you. I love you, okay? I will not kill you. You will not kill you too.
You see?
Have you agreed to marry my father?
I will marry him.
You see? You see?
You can stay with her.
But you said Mama was calling me.
I just wanted her to go.
You just want her to go?
Hey!
Can you imagine this?
Ayaka, leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Look at this girl. I will kill this girl. Eh?
She's so funny.
Very funny.
Anita, this is very bad though. You shouldn't have done this.
How do you mean? Don't even try to talk to me like that again. Don't try it. How is it my fault? Don't you also go out with married men?
That is not what I'm saying. Eh? It's about your best friend husband.
He was the one that has been chasing me, bothering me.
And so? Must he be your girlfriend's husband?
I beg, free me. Don't attribute me to that. Was I the one that told her to have shock like that?
Out of her complication, she has lost her baby. Eh? So tell me now, what is your gain? Eh, madam? What did you gain now? Just tell me, what did you gain? I've been warning you since to leave this man alone. You refuse. You want to die there. You want to die inside there. Come to think of it. If I get married tomorrow, you come after my husband. Because the way I'm saying this your eye, eh? This your eye, that is, you know, like this. I'm afraid of you. I'm really afraid of you. Eh? Continue. I wish you and my husband all the best in your world. Murugala, I can't ask for you.
Hey, baby, oh, I beg you in the name of God, please don't go. Please don't go anywhere, please. Become.
What would I be doing here with you? No, just give me one reason I should stay back with you.
Because you're a lovely wife. See, I am sorry. I'm so sorry for all I've done to you. Okay. Whatever that must have happened, they're all my fault. Okay? I accept the blame. Please don't be anyway. I'm sorry.
Frederick. You want me to stay back and go through all the insults and torture from you over and over?
No, you're not going to pass through all those things.
You know, I'm really surprised that you can apologize.
So, you can use the word sorry because you're broke. When the going was okay, you were out there enjoying with your mistress while I suffered here. You know, get your phone. Call Benita to come suffer with you. Go on. Call her. Because I am not going through this with you again. I like you.
Baby, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
The landlord will soon be here. And you already know what he's coming to do. He's coming to send you out of this house. And you expect me to stay back and go through that with you. Frederick, it won't work.
You are my wife. We can work out things again. Okay? You're my wife. You're my love. You're my heart. You're my everything.
But I am not your wife. I am not your wife. You would have thought of that when you put me through everything I went through in this house. You know what? You're done with you. I can't go through this.
You don't have to. Look at me. Don't do this. Baby. Oh. Hey. What about me?
Babes, I don't care. She can say whatever she likes. Benita, why are you so heartless? You're not even feeling remorseful. You know this whole thing that you have just done is really heartbreaking. It is. Not my fault. Fred was all over me. The guy was dishing out money like food. What did I for do? For close my eyes. Babes. Anyway, it's not really what I'm talking about. The only person I feel for is Oki. I really feel for her. I feel for her. Now you know. Auntie, how is your father and sister? Anyway, as usual, I know that you want to cut corners. They are fine. Guess what? See that Godwin guy? I don't know, God sent that guy to come elevate my family. He has really been doing so much for me and my family. I swear, I am really, really happy. Very happy. I am happy for you too. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's good. Wow. As for me, I need to leave this town for a while. I need to cool off. It has not gotten to that point now. Why do you want to leave the town? My sister, vacation will be calm down, I'm okay. I just want to cool off. Alright, no wahala. I just came to pick some things. I can see. You look good though. Thank you.
My son, I don't know how to thank you for all you have been doing for me. Eh? Look at me. I never knew I could walk again in my life. Thank you. Eh? God bless you.
Amen.
Your pocket will never run dry.
Amen, Papa.
Yes.
Papa, one more thing. Always remember to go for your checkup. It's very important, very vital. Please, don't say you are strong now.
I will.
I will even force you. They force him to go and take his medicine and do all this checkup. I will have to force Papa. Yes. Do it. Thank you very much. Hi.
You're welcome.
God bless you. You are a great person.
I will leave two of you now. Let me go to the backyard and check on my palm fruit.
Hey. Only check on them, don't climb them.
Hey.
Which plan?
You are too hardworking to be ignored in this village, doing nothing. Yes. Just choose any business of your choice anything you want to do, better still if you want to go back to school, I am ready to sponsor you.
No. Forget school. No. School is cancelled. I have to do business. It's business I want to do.
Alright, what kind of business do you want to do?
I don't know the kind of business now. It's still the same tipper business.
What? Tipper?
Hey! There's money in tipper business, so apart from going to collect trip of sand, people come to rent the truck. There's money, oh. This tipper. Hey! Plenty money.
Okay. But I will give you today to still think about it.
Hey,
and
tomorrow.
get back to me tomorrow.
But today is too far. Today is too far. Talk us of tomorrow. I already know what I want to do. It's tipper business, oh.
Alright, I will see what I can do about it.
Hey, don't think about it. Once you just see me, think tipper business. It's tipper business, oh. There's plenty money in tipper
Matilda,
business.
I've heard you. I will do something about it, okay?
Tomorrow is too far. It's tipper business. So don't think I'm confused. I'm not confused. It's tipper
Mati, I trust you.
It's tipper business, yes. Please, Nico. Tipper business.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright.
So it's tipper business. There's money in tipper business, oh. Hey! You make plenty money from tipper business.
I love your spirit.
Hey! Yes. So if you think I will help you, it's tipper business. Okay. Just look at me. I look like tipper. It's tipper business.
What are you talking about? My wife has left me, and we are here talking what I don't know.
Oga, I don't have any of your money. Please get out of my house.
Is this the kind of person you are? Huh?
That is how I am. Yes. When you were chasing me, I warned you. Now you've destroyed the friendship I have with your wife. Yet you still have the guts to come in here and ask me for the money you gave me. Oga, for your information, I have used that money to build a house for my father in the village.
Anita, how could you do this to me? How? Why are you so wicked? Anita, do you know I've sold all that I have just to raise money to pay Mr. Godwin? Do you know that?
And how is that supposed to be my business? Oga, let me ask you. How many abortions did I do for you? Don't push me. Get out of my house. And I don't want to ever see you here again. If I do, you will not like what I will do to you. I will disgrace you. Get out!
Anita, I will never allow my money to go like that. I am going to come back here again. And when I come back, I did not get my money from you. Benita, you will see what I will do to you. Benita, you will see what I will do to you.
Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity comes but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow.
It's the other way around, my darling. I have used you and I have dumped you.
What are you doing here sitting all alone to yourself? Where is my dude? I mean my guy.
He's a guy.
What's the job? I mean Fred, you understand?
Mr. Mike. As you can see, I'm single.
What happened? Hold it right there. Barman! Get me something to drink.
So, my son, that is why we are here.
I wouldn't say I'm surprised about this movement. That I will say that I've been waiting for this day to come. Ayaka, you're welcome.
Thank you.
And Ayaka has been a very good friend to this family. He has sacrificed a lot to this family to an extent that if he's left for me, now I will give him go ahead. But I will still have to confirm from my sister. Yes, as tradition demands. But he's left for me, I will give him go ahead now and here. Yes, let me call him. Ika.
Yes, that is the way. You have spoken well. Oh, Abuwa.
You're welcome, sir.
Yes, my daughter. How are you?
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Nkoli.
Brother.
Do you know this people?
Yes, I do.
Yes. They have come to make things official. Ayaka here is not a new person to this family. He has been our backbone in this family. Yes. Yeah, he has now decided to take a bold step and make things right. He's asking for your hand, your leg, everything concerning you, the marriage.
Yes.
So I called you to confirm the movement. So what do you have to say?
Yes, brother. I'll marry him.
Oh! Oh! Ichie.
Ayaka.
That's all right.
Ayaka.
Ayaka. It calls for celebration. Yes.
We have tried.
That's all right.
This call for celebration.
American.
Please
don't forget.
This life, the world is wicked. Who could believe that Benita will ever disappoint me and turn her back on me at this trying time? Who could believe that? Hi, Benita. Benita, you're going to suffer all the rest of your life. You're going to suffer. Benita, you will suffer wherever you are. Anyway, let me go and drink.
Opportunity come but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity come but once, so brother.
What? Fred did that to you? God, I've known Fred to be a very good friend. I've never known him to be a brute.
You can't imagine what I went through in the hands of Fred. I lost my baby all because of Fred.
Child, this is bad. This is extremely bad. But listen, I will not advise you to leave him. Please, do not leave Fred. Please, I'm begging you. Do not.
I'm sorry, Mr. Mike, but I am done. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll just leave town. I need to go to a place where I'll just relax and try to wrap my head around myself.
No, you can't do that. You can leave your husband because of another woman. Leaving Fred is you giving great access to that woman, taking over your entire house. And then you losing your husband completely to her. And you know what that means. Listen, what matters is Fred acknowledging his faults. What he has done to you, then you can go back to him.
What's going on here? Oh. Okay. This is it, eh? Fred,
can you please sit down so we can talk?
How dare you?
Fred!
How dare you? Oh, so it has been you all this while. Eh? Your prayer for me is stones. I don't know what you say. To go for my wife. What do you mean? Eh?
Fred, stop it! What is wrong with you?
Now I see. So because of what I did, you want to be this old fool. Eh?
What did you do that for?
I'll show you. You will see. Apage, we shall see. No, we shall see. Just watch and see. Okay.
What has come over your husband? I do not have your husband.
See, I'm really sorry about this. I'm sorry.
I have to leave. Oga is going down, and I don't want to go down with him. I'm not even sure of my monthly salary. His wife has come. You know, I will go. Who be that?
I am going to deal with them. Aye.
Okay. Sorry, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
I want to leave. I don't want to work again. Because I'm not sure of my monthly salary.
You want to leave?
Yes, sir.
Where do you want to go to?
My village, sir. Who is that? Open the gate. Oh, thank God I met you well. So you've been avoiding my call.
No.
You've been avoiding my call. Do you know you are a wicked friend? No. You are a wicked person, friend. You are a wicked person.
It's not possible to avoid your calls. It's not possible. I can't do that. Eh? You're welcome, sir. Please, can we go inside and sit down?
Talk what? Look, I'm not here for any talk. The reason I came here is because I need my rent. I have come to collect my rent. Whereby you fail to raise my rent for not to get ready to leave the house. That is why I'm here. Yes. Get ready to leave the house.
See, wait, we can actually.
I've told you. Please. I've told you. Weekend. Let's just. Okay. But if not, you go ahead. Let me just go. I'm not sure of my salary. Let me see myself at the village. According.
Opportunity comes but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity comes but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Makechi Dime. Remember tomorrow.
It's the Tiba business I want to do. It has to be the Tiba business. Because that is what they have used to know my father in this village. I want to continue my father's business. I don't need to stop it. All I need from you is just money for logistics. But it is that Tiba business that I want to do.
Okay, I've heard you. I will import like 10 tippers for you to start with.
Hey.
Yes. You can give some for rental. You can give some for hire purchase. What do you think?
10 tipper.
Yes.
10 tippers.
10 tippers.
go. 10 tippers.
I am serious.
Huh? Hi!
Yes, it will be a joint business. Since I'm not here in Nigeria, you'll be the one running the business. All I need to do is to open the company's name and provide the tippers. You'll be the one running them since I'm not around. One more thing, please, don't fail me.
Possible. I cannot fail you. I am a hustler. Everybody in this village knows that I am a hustler. I make you proud. You will not have reason to complain. I'm telling you.
All right. I love your hustling spirit.
Thank you, thank you.
I've heard you. One more thing. You know that my house?
Yeah.
That my site?
Yeah.
Yes. I want you to place my eyes on them. I want you to make sure that the work is going on fine. So I'll be leaving some money with you. In case if they need any material, you can purchase for them.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. So if you go now, when are you coming back?
I think I'll be back in 6 months' time. Yes, because I want to come back and marry. I'm not getting any younger.
Yay! It's good.
Yes, by that time my house will be ready.
Yes, to be ready. You want to come and marry now? Yay! Hey, it's good.
Mati, I love your spirit.
Thank you. So you see, there's money in Tiba business. So that you don't go and change your mind. There's money in Tiba business. I'm telling you.
My mind is made up. I trust you. I believe you.
Opportunity comes once, brother.
What is going on? Is this how my life is going to end? Why must my life end like
Fred! You hit me. Fred, you hit me!
Get out of this compound now. If I break your head with this bottle. Leave here now!
Fred, what did I do to you? What exactly have I done to you? What is my offense? That I saw your wife at the bar? And I was having a chat with her and at the same time I'm fighting her over an issue that was going to be of great benefit to you?
Oh.
You spring up from nowhere and you hit me?
You think I don't know that you admire my wife?
How not again?
Huh? You think I do not know that you have your eyes on my wife? You think I don't know? But do not worry. You see what is coming to you next. You see what I'll do to you. If you do not leave this compound now, I could change up for you. Leave!
Can you just calm down, Fred? What is wrong with you? What has come over you? What is eating you up?
Leave.
I have nothing to do with your wife.
Please.
Then if you don't want to listen to me, there is no problem. I left that woman there just to come here and paint a clearer picture of what happened. I have nothing to do with your wife. Whatever you're thinking, so be it.
Three.
Never. I understand you will be leaving for the city tomorrow.
Yes, Papa.
My God will bless you.
Amen, Papa.
You are worth more than 10 sons to me. I am very proud of you.
I told you I'll make you proud, Papa.
Concerning that young man, Godwin, what is your plans with him? Because I have used my eyes as an elder to view your relationship with him.
For now, there's nothing, Papa.
Which means there will be something in the future.
Well, he hasn't said anything, Papa.
Well, he is a good man. whatever will happen, will happen. When you go to his company, put in your best. Yeah? He has invested millions in that business. So, when you go, put in your best. I know you'll make me proud.
I will, Papa. I promise. I will. I want to go and lie down small. You know, I have a very long day tomorrow.
Summer, what are you doing? Oh?
I'm cooking.
Hey, what your father? Let me see if you cook like me.
I can cook.
What is that one?
This one is soup. Yes. Mommy, welcome.
How are you?
Fine, oh. Mama, I'm not fine, oh.
Okay.
Mama, what is it?
Mama, my husband.
Hey!
Mama, my husband is
there. How? What happened to him?
Accident.
Hey!
He was involved in an accident, Mama.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Hey! This is not good at all.
My husband is dead.
It's okay. Let's go inside. One. Accident, ma.
So, Papa, that's what I came to tell you. So if you give me go ahead, I will come with my family to do the right thing.
What do you know? You don't need any go ahead from me. Because I've already given you go. Ahead is on top of it. You are a good man.
Thank you, Papa.
Kachi,
Yes, Papa.
God will bless you. In fact, both of you, you have my blessing.
Thank you, Papa.
Godwin is a good man.
Thank you, Papa. Kashiya is a nice girl. I am happy and lucky to have her.
Good. Kachi,
Yes, Papa.
how is your sister? Have you heard from her?
Yes, Papa. She's doing well with her truck business. She's really doing well. Very well. Very well.
That's what I want to hear.
Mama, I'm back. I had when you park your car. Yes. Samma, how are you? Mama, this is indeed. What is she doing here?
My mom just lost her husband.
Did you just lost her husband?
What? Hey, what happened?
Accident.
And why is she coming here? How does it concern us?
She came to see her daughter.
Mama, you see it well.
Why is she angry?
I don't know. You see?
You should know.
Ayaka, I did not come here to disturb you or your wife. I only came here to see my daughter. I was on my way from my husband's village and I decided to come and see my daughter. I will soon be leaving, Ayaka. I did not come here to disturb you.
It's alright.
I know the reason you came.
It's alright. Sorry for your loss. But Mama, you see her off. Hope she's going to be. Let me attend to my wife inside. Bye. So let me find her transport me.
It's okay. It's okay. But you know my son. Don't cry. I know the reason you came. Even if you don't want to go today, I will still house you to tomorrow. Or any day you want to go.
I'm not come to disturb anybody.
I understand. This is your daughter, my own grandchild. So you're welcome to this house anytime. You know, go.
Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity come but once, oh brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow.
Not keke.
Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity come but once, oh brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow.
If the truck is bad, you bring it back here. No, don't argue with me, just bring it back here. You're trying to get me angry. Very well then, just bring the truck back.
Good day, madam. There's a new driver here and he wants to see you.
So have you tested him to see how good he is?
No, madam. I need to approve first.
Very well then, bring him in.
Madam.
Yes.
Here's the new driver I told you about.
Okay, very well, please.
Martina. Madam, do you know him?
You don't know.
This world is too much. Martina, are you the one he brought me to come and see?
Well, I'm in charge of this trucking company. And I asked again, what are you doing here?
Martina, you see, what a wonderful world. I know the world is wicked. You know, I am so sorry for the way I treated you and your father. It was very bad of me. It wasn't me. I'm so sorry. Please, Martina, please forgive me.
Fred, you? I would gladly give you a job here.
It's you?
Because I would like for you to see what it feels like to be underneath somebody.
Oh yeah.
You.
Oh yeah, the one cat you. Martina, I am sorry. You know, you and your father, you people are very good people. And please forgive me. Hi.
Mr. Fred. You?
Hi, Martin.
You're actually hired.
Martin?
You have the job.
Okay.
Opportunity come but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity come but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Makechi dime. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Chakwechi tofuma. Makechi dime. Don't make yourself a god because of your position.